Okay, guys, this is a quick and fast recipe. So I had some leftover cinnamon raisin bagel, and I'm like, okay, let me make some French toast. So here I have about 2 eggs, which I have whisked real quick. I add some almond extract, some vanilla extract, some cinnamon, and some allspice, and I'm gonna mix that together with some almond milk, and that's gonna be my mixture to dip my cinnamon roll in to turn it into French toast. So here I am just whisking. I add about 1 butter to my skillet. I'm about to dip my French toast into my mixture so it can soak it all up. Get that in, flip it so it can be covered, and then I'm gonna add that to my pot to get all yummy because it's French toast season. Right, it's cold outside with some hot chocolate and marshmallow. So here's my French toast. They're browning up real nicely. And I'm gonna serve that with some fruit, strawberry, blueberry, banana, oranges, with some bacon, turkey bacon, and some sausage and some boiled egg. And then I'm gonna add some whipped cream for fun, right? Make it even more interesting. You can also add powdered sugar to yours if you like. I'm adding some syrup. And then I'm going in with my whipped cream. Whipped cream does make it so much more fun. I didn't want to go all overboard, so I just put it like in little bits and pieces of spaces. But look at this breakfast. Yummy, delicious, and healthy. And here we have it. And this is such a quick and easy French toast recipe. It turned out so good. So good. All you need was eggs, milk, almond extract, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and allspice. Whisk that together and dip whatever bread you're using and add that to your skillet. And quick, simply easy, delicious French toast. Great breakfast ideas for this awesome cold Thanksgiving, winter season, fall that we're having. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next time. This is your girl, Yachty Girl.